crocheted in January. It's honestly not that much. I thought this was gonna be a lot more impressive. Let's just start with my favorites that I made this month. This is my own personal one. I like to call this a Pop-Tart bag because it reminds me of like an actual Pop-Tart or pastry, just something very delicious to eat. And I love that it's just like in bag form, small bag too. The very first one I made is non-adjustable, but let me show you. So I made the same exact one with adjustable straps in brown also. And then this one is actual, like literally giving Pop-Tart because it has the little like blueberry and then Pop-Tart color. Let me show you how the straps are actually adjustable. So on the inside, it has like these buttons. So if you want to take the buttons off, you can make the straps longer. So that way you can wear it across your body. Like you could wear it like this across your body. And then if you want to make it shorter, you would just undo the clips. So I call those Pop-Tart bags. I actually was thinking about making a tutorial on these. So if you want that, let me know. I'll totally make that video. Okay, so keeping it simple with these little bucket hats, I love making these. I usually do like very intricate types of designs, but I wanted to make some like very simple ones. Like this is so cute. You can just, is this focused? Like you could just literally wear it with like the cutest outfit, go to the farmer's market, go out. Like it's almost like a sun hat in a way. I also made one in this like chunky yarn. It's very, very cute. I'm gonna say everything is super cute. Sorry, that's probably gonna get annoying. Okay, I'm gonna stop saying cute actually. This one I ended up putting a flower on it and I think this is adorable. It reminds me of like a character from Strawberry Shortcake, like inspired by one, like it would be one of her friends wearing this. Oh my gosh, this one brings me like so much serotonin, just like wearing it, the color, the flower, especially with this hairstyle, like it's giving everything it needs to give. Comment what other colors I should make this hat in because I feel like if it was like a group of girls or sisters wearing this, like, oh, that would be so good. And then this is the last bucket hat that I also made. It's this brown color and I actually found this brown at the thrift store and I was like, yes, because I ended up making this hat, this bag, sneak peek of something I'm about to show you, but also this. And I also made this mushroom bag that I haven't finished yet, so I wasn't gonna show it, but yeah, I've made so many things and I still have leftover yarn and I think this one is so cute. I guess I'll go through all of the hats. So next is this one that I just showed you. These are cat ear beanies. This is a little flex. I love the pattern that I do for making these beanies because I do it ribbed right here and then the rest is just like double crochets. But the ribbing right here is just, ooh, it's just such a slay to me. Like I think it's very iconic. And this brown for the neutral girlies, it reminds me of like coffee, chocolate, like a chocolate kitty, mocha latte kitten. Yeah, that's the name for this one, mocha latte kitten. So cute. You can kind of tell I like to use brown a lot, but I asked on my Instagram story if I should make one with like a brown ribbing or pink ribbing, and I feel like the comments or the votes were very divided. It was like almost 50-50, so I just ended up doing both. So here's the one with the pink ribbing. This is so cute. Oh, not cute. This is so iconic. It reminds me of like, it kind of reminds me of a baby because of the baby pink. Also, the brown is giving like 2009. Like, remember how in 2009 we were pairing brown with pink and then brown with like teal? So that's kind of what this reminds me of a little bit. Oh, but actually no, this, I remember my actual inspiration for this was like, it reminds me of strawberry milk and chocolate milk. Okay, so here's the next one that is basically the same thing, but it just has the brown ribbing instead of the pink. Which one do you think is better? Which one would you wear? Brown or pink? Okay, this next one is kind of like just Valentine's Day inspired. You know, the pink and red, love to see it. It almost, though, I feel like the pink is very light pink that it almost looks like not cotton candy. Candy cane. It's Valentine's Day. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I make it like with a different pink next time? Next, I just had to make one in black and white, of course. So, yeah. Not much to say about it. It still has like the ribbing and everything. But yeah, this one's cute for like if you don't really wear colors and you just want to look like a cat. Okay, this is actually the last cat beanie that I made this month, and I feel like this one is so fun. It is so nostalgic looking. If you have ever went to the mall and got the crazy colors from Bluebell, like the ice cream with the swirl of all the colors, that's what this hat is inspired by. The warm feeling of nostalgia when you walk into the mall and you smell the ice cream and the cinnamon rolls. That's what this is giving. And of course I did the ribbing, primary colors plus green. I just love it. But this one is definitely a little bit more out there, a little bit more fun. If you like the clown core, it kind of goes with that. But yeah, I do want to make more fun hats like this. Like this was very fun just because of the colors. All the stuff I have left is like little things, but these were my cope obsession. Sometimes I get into like such a hardcore depression anxiety mode where I literally don't know what to do with my energy besides crochet, so I'll just like go crazy, and basically every little thing right here is a result of my anxiety the past month. So I made sets of coasters. This color combo kind of like, it reminds me of like 2020 Pinterest core. I love it though. It's just, if you have like one of those apartments that are very colorful, I feel like that's perfect. More colors. These are the Kuromi ones. I just made them in a lot of different colors. Like the daisies that look like eggs are super iconic and just a staple that you need. Got some neutral ones for the neutral girlies. And then we got the blueberry ones. These are daisy coasters too, but they just remind me of blueberries. I love everything that has to do with blueberry. And then the matcha colors. These ones are really, really cute. I really like these. If I was picking out some for my apartment, I would probably pick these just because I like to use pink a lot and I feel like green and pink goes really well together. All the things that are left are my little mushroom holders. I've done a YouTube tutorial on these, so if you want to learn how to make these, I already have a tutorial up. But these are just so cute. They hold lighters on the inside. You can put chapsticks, lip gloss. It's just very like serotonin boost just looking at all of these. I need to make more colors, but I've only made a few. All of these things I made them to sell at my markets that I do in Houston. I'm also gonna put them online, but I don't think any of this stuff is on my site yet because I have to like take pictures and stuff. But if you see something you like, just message me because I can like always let you purchase anything through the DMs or whatever before I put it on my website if you like it, and then I can always do custom things too. Let me know which one is your favorite. I think this one is my favorite. And also let me know which ones you would like a tutorial on. I forgot to mention these. I like made up the pattern on this. They're so easy and really cute to make for your apartment or even as gifts. Let me know. I'll literally do a tutorial like so fast if you want one. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.